Okay, hello everyone. Thanks for your time and for watching. So in this particular Trane furnace, I'm going to show you how you can uh, install a new control board. I'm going to show you every wire goes where and how to put it back. Okay, so now I'm going to pause a little bit. I have to move this. You don't have to because usually all the wires are here. But I want to remove this and I'm going to make every wire free. And I'll show you exactly it's going from where to where, from which point to which point, and that will help you better. But in your case, basically, if you know how to do it, all what you have to do, take a lot of pictures and put all the wires back where they belong. Or if you want to go a wire by wire, like you have a new control board, like you move this black one from whatever it is, you put it here, and then you move one by one, so you know exactly where they go. But in this case, I'm gonna show you how these wires are going, where they are going, and also how to put them back. So I'm gonna pause for a minute, and so basically I have all the wires freed from all these ties and wire ties, and as you see, they're like that. So first you start with the harnesses. Harnesses are the easiest because they are plug. So this plug is off, you're done with it. And then another harness. These are two harnesses here. So this harness also, basically this harness feeds the inducer draft motor and the igniter. Only items here use hot water, hot voltage, or igniter and inducer motor. And then later you go with the commons, right? Like they're all white, and they all go into one section. So this is white for the power that I connected, and this is white for the blower motor. See how Trane they do these terminals? The tab's very easy to remove, but carrier you have to like this. You know, that's so crazy, so hard to move it. Okay, so all the whites are gone, and then we go with the blower motor, right? Blower motor wires they're colored and they go to the motor, and this one was a common. So now other ones you can move them. Remember, these are interchangeable. You can change them because every color represents a speed. So if you want a higher speed on furnace mode, you can change it. Basically, red is low. Usually red is low almost every time. The black one is high. White is common. Now sometimes you have a medium high, medium, low medium, high medium. So they're gonna be two colors. Blue could be low medium, and yellow could be high medium. Now sometimes you have red and white, and you have only, for example, yellow. That's just a medium. There's no high or low medium. It's just one medium. Okay, and the rest is so easy. The rest you have only two lines. The power. Usually power line goes always to the safety switch, and then you have a power to the transformer. Usually I will show to you very close in a minute. Okay, in case you want to remove the control board, you need a plier like this. If you can have it, it's like it's bented, and it's very nice. You can just take the control board off. You can, I will show you the clip how it is. You can go like this, and then basically the board will slide out, right? And I will bring the camera closer to show you how the clip are, and then and if there's anyone laying around here, I'll show you. So basically, as you see, so these are the harnesses. You remove them very easy, and this here is all neutral. Sometimes, like this control board in particular, they show you this one is for the line main power, and this one is for humidifier, if you want to use a humidifier. Some control boards, they only offer humidifier high voltage, so you have to have a transformer that will transfer to 24 volt and control the humidifier. This is EAC, electronic air cleaner, if you have one. These are all neutral. Always XFMR, it's a transformer. Sometimes could be PR1, which is primary. And circulator, this is a blower motor, okay? These are the commons. And then, as we said, we're gonna go to the blower motor. So remember, this is White Rogers for Trane. I think they use it for other furnaces. And here as you see, this is the blower area. So you have cool high, heat high, or hot. So usually if you want to put high speed to the cool and AC, you put black color. I told you black color is high voltage. Heat, usually R or yellow, red or yellow. Electronic air cleaner. Basically, this is the hot for the electronic air cleaner. If you have electronic air cleaner, you should use hot here, and remember electronic air cleaner here. So this is neutral. And then you have park. So let's say you use only 2-speed, right? Red and black. Okay, low and high. Then you have other two-speed. What you're gonna do with them? You're not gonna leave them laying down around, the furnace. They might short or hit the chassis or something. So I put them on park, which is here. These are like a dead, no connection, dummy connection, but it's safe. When you put them here, the wire doesn't move anymore. Okay, and then you have the, so we said harnesses first, neutral, easier, and then the blower. And then you have only the last one, which is XFMR, the transformer, and line, which is really the high voltage. Okay, so this is all for the transformer. Always, if you suspect forgive me, the control board. If you suspect there is something wrong with the control board, always look in the back very, very carefully and make sure you don't see anything popped or anything burned, because that will help you. A lot of time I go to a furnace and it's malfunctioning, I remove it. I see like a huge shortage. And usually it happened, why it happened? Because, there are these clip mounting here. Sometimes technician or a homeowner by accident, they push it hard and this thing touch the surface. The reason why they have these to make a space so it doesn't touch it. Okay, and these guys, let me see if I can find. So basically, this is a control board for a Hoshizaki ice machine, which I fix a lot. And I just want to show you how the clipboard work. You can see it. So basically, when you force it this way, when you push it, it comes off. See. Then when you put it back, you have to push it all the way to hold it. Okay, so basically that's exactly what it is. I'm just talking about these that hook the control board with. So I'm gonna put back the control board. It's very easy. Basically everything goes into place. As I told you, you have to push it so the hooks will hold it into place, right? And then after that, sorry, I put it the wrong way. Don't do like me. So you put this here. Usually just push it, and it's sit in the place very strong. Again, when you're working on this, do not go crazy. Push it. Sometimes no matter what you do, you might short the back. Okay. So again, remember the safety switch. Always go to the high line 1. Remember line 1. And then again, actually, you know what? I'm sorry, I went the wrong way. So first we're gonna start with harnesses, which is very easy. You don't have to guess. They only go one way, right? Harness, right? I told you first the easy. And then whites, all the common. This is the power, the main power. So usually it should say here line 1. Some furnaces, they indicate each common goes where. Otherwise, they just have a place you can put them anywhere. So this has to be circle. Remember, SE, circle. And then this is common for the blower. And then you have the transform. Basically, this one doesn't have a lot of commons. Remember, if you had a electronic air cleaner or you have a humidifier, you can use a common here, okay? So we finish with the white, which is easy. Harnesses. Now the motor. So in the motor, if you go, again, you can use any speed you want. I will put high speed for cool, right? And then red for low speed for heat. And these two, I don't need them. I'll put them in a safe park, right? So, and then the last ones are power, L1, remember? And the hot of the transformer. So you're all good now. See, that's easy. That's how you do it, okay? So that's all good for the control board, how to remove it to put it back.